Wake up with Matt in the morning.
Hey guys, Matt here with Matt in the Morning and Adeline Bell. And guess what we're making today? We're making a quarantine snack, which consists of, as you can see below, sliced up cucumbers and onions. I've already got that prepped up. We do the cucumbers in about 1/4 inch slices. Did the onion the same way and then quartered it. You can do it however you want though. Slice it, dice it, etc., etc. And we're going to do this 2 different ways. One of the ways is going to be the way I do it. The other way is the way Stefanie does it. This is a great go-to snack. And I'm doing this because I'm seeing a whole lot of people on the social interwebs talking about snacking. There's a lot of people that are self-quarantined, a lot of states that are in shelter-in-place deals right now. So we're all kind of stuck at the house, a lot of us are anyways. And so I had one friend of mine, I think it was my friend Min, said that he actually took 3 naps to stop snacking. So I figured it's time for me and Adeline Bell to bring you a snack video. So, like I said, down below, I've already got that stuff prepped. In each of these is 1 cucumber and 1/2 an onion. You can use more or less depending on. So, with the one I'm doing, I gotta duck down. I had to have the camera angled down here to get Adeline Bell in here. What I'm using is my North Carolina barbecue sauce. I made this the other day. At the end of this video, I'll have a link to it, or just head back onto the YouTube page and find it. And so that's all I'm doing. I'm doing this will be about 1/4 to 1/2 a cup, roughly. Measurements aren't really solid. And I'm gonna put that in here like so. About 1/2 a cup. A little more maybe. And I'm gonna kick it up a notch with some red pepper flakes. We already have red pepper flakes in the barbecue sauce, but we're just adding a little more. Another thing we're doing, and I forgot to grab it, is we will toss in a little bit of regular old vinegar. So mine is, of course, going to be heavy vinegar based, but so is my barbecue sauce. So all I'm gonna do is put the lid on, shake it up, and I'm gonna put it back in the fridge. I'm gonna let this sit overnight, get good and incorporated. I'll probably try to mix it up a couple different times. Then you just eat it. You're hungry, you want something, eat it. There's mine. Mine's quick and easy. Yes, Adeline Bell is, yeah, good job. So the second one is the one Stefanie does. So again, you can see below we have the same amount of veggies. This is going to be 1/4 cup of sugar, and again, measurements are all just on taste. This is not set in stone. If you think you want more of something, put more, no big deal. It's also going to be roughly 1/4 cup of mayo, give or take. And I'm going to have the ingredients and the how-to down below in the description, but I can't say it enough that when it comes to this, it's really just a taste. If you think you might want less or more of something, do it. 1/4 cup of mayo, 1/4 cup of sugar. We're going to take that Trinity blend, which those of you that know that that's salt, pepper, garlic. 2 parts pepper, 2 parts salt to 1 part garlic. That's our measurement there. And vinegar. We're still doing the vinegar. And that's probably about another 1/4 cup worth. Then we're gonna mix it up. Yep, you wanna mix it up? Yeah. Okay, there we go. She's helping mix it up. That's good. Got the sous chef going on. Don't be staring over at Mommy. Mommy is not in this video. There we go. There we go. What? And that's it, guys. That's thank you. And that's it. Again, we're gonna let that sit overnight. Actually, we'll probably eat it before then. But there you go. There's a good quarantine snack for you. It's delicious. Hey, and this stuff is really good too with barbecue, pulled pork, ribs. It's great. And again, I'll have everything down in the description, but just do it to taste. Do what you want. So there we go, cucumber and onion salad. Oh, another thing some people do, we just don't have any right now, is some people also dice up tomatoes and throw in there. That's a nice addition. Wow. Don't be coughing. Okay, 6 feet rules back in effect. Anyways, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. I gotta go.